Okay, just a quick overview for the design software I developed myself. This is like a ferrofluid um, digital twin or digital simulation software that I vibe coded for one of my speculative design project. The idea that in near future you can use like a ferrofluid much more normative ways, and it can be one of the interaction uh, form, let's say, for brain computer interaction, or this can use of like interior of like a car design. So but how we can design for it in that case, I wipe coded this at the moment MVP1, a really simple uh, design tool for myself to simulate brain computer interaction with ferrofluid. You can select different predefined signals, as I don't have the hardware for myself now. But if you have the hardware, you can easily write code additional features to be able to connect the hardware or different sensors to this software. But we have different stages, and the ferrofluid reacts to it. On the library, we have like a predefined presets. Additionally, you can design your own presets as well. So let's play around a bit. And of course, you have like a basic capabilities and features of any kind of like a 3D design software. Uh, you have this like a Zen Garden, Cybermist. Uh, this got like a good reaction from some people. That basically you can simulate and see how ferrofluid will look like in different parameters and the setting, and you can design and develop interaction patterns. You can combine different modalities and do interaction coupling, and yeah, you know the rest. It is design software for designer in speculative scenario for brain computer interaction, basically. Yeah, this one is cool. Like liquid gold is always cool. So we have the library predefined sets. I am still working on developing overall a user experience of the software, usability, and so on. I'm looking into a Blender, kind of taking notes from how it designed and try to improve this mini software. So you can play with a different settings. At the moment, we have only a one set of fair fluid, and it moves inside of invisible container. In the future, I would like to try to add a different fur for it and see what happens when they mix up, or when we imagine this as a digital twin or simulation when we have magnets. How fur fluid will react to the physical magnet, and try to add additional capabilities to this software. But I am quite happy with how it's going so far. You can play with it. You can change the settings with the roughness and so on. You can impact the material and the grain size. Easy way to start is you select the presets from the library, and you go into inspector mode and you play around. You can even play with the mesh topology, which was quite interesting. This feature, mesh topologies, came from when I was ideating with Gemini. I'm quite happy with it. Couple of more presets you can select, and also we have the node tree. Wow, so cool. So at the moment we don't have so many nodes available, but you can play with it. What's available, and you can change the parameters. You can create your design and see what happens in different simulated state, like neutral, stress, fatigue, and you can play with, yeah, 3D viewer needs a little bit more work, but so far I'm happy. Also, it has embedded Gemini in it. Although you are not using latest model, you are using old model. So when you, let's say that uh, generate graphics with fire. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's trying its best. You see the change. Yeah. Trying to mimic, I guess, a fire moments, behaviors, and patterns. And it can be interesting to hook this to with a P5 or Arduino, and a couple of input and output sensors, and combine to explore more digital physical interaction. Yeah, thanks for listening.